right, we're trying a new here. Let's see if this works. Say something. I'm saying something. There we go. How's this screen look? I changed something up. Hey, Joseph, what's up? I changed something up. Instead of going through OBS, I just kind of just went through the YouTube to see how this works. It seems like it's doing pretty good. The camera's like big and wide, and that's cool. Yeah, I mean, it seems like it's doing a good stream too. Does it sound okay? Does it look okay? How's everything look? Roy Thomas, we're doing good. All right, good. Looks good in Mindanao. Bruce, how are you enjoying your trip to the Philippines? Hey, Lee, how you doing? I don't know. I guess I'll just do it this way instead of that OBS. Looks good from Vegas. All right, Bruce. Bruce, send me a message then when you're up in this area. Good from San Francisco. Good. Goody. We used to eat at a breakfast place back in the States, and we had one waitress. We nicknamed him Goody because every time you would talk to him, it would always be good. How you doing today? Good. How's the food? Good. So we named him Goody. Hello from Florida, Brent. Bring some tasties. Yeah, Randy, bring some tasty cakes. No, we never found Justice. Justice is gone. If I were to guess and were to bet, we think Justice was poisoned. Alan Grant, in September when you get here, send me a message. Hello from Georgia. Hello from Kansas. Hello from Chicago. Greetings from Brooklyn. How's my nephew doing? Good question. The 12th, they released him from where he was at his rehab center because the insurance was no longer going to pay for it. So he's at home, back home right now. My brother did a lot of modifications to the downstairs so he can move the wheelchair around and in and out of the shower and everything. But he's doing good. I mean, he's got my brother said that he's got feeling back in his legs and everything. So now it's just a matter of the rehab part. So he's got to, just go through the rehab part. Rehabilitation. They're going to have people come there and help him do his rehab. And so that's where he's at right now. The doctors are very hopeful for him. So yeah, he's doing good. I need to invest in a bed and breakfast. Me. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. There. How's that? Bed and breakfast. I don't even know if they have bed and breakfast here. Grammy. I don't even know how to pronounce that right. I know it's not Grammy. Greamy. Good morning. Hello from Topeka, Kansas. Do I know Art Rosario? Lee, I don't know who your Art Rosario. I don't know exactly who that is. How is the Red Demon on 4 wheels doing? Doing fine. It's running fine. It's running good. I always say, you know what? When the car's running, it runs good. It's just my thing is with the car when things go wrong and it's a major part. The thing is, you got to import it. You got to bring it, or you got to purchase it overseas and have it brought here, and then it's the waiting time. That's my whole issue with the car is the waiting for parts. You know, you would think that, you know, back in the States they got junkyards and stuff, and you would think that junkyards would be all over here, but they're not. You know, back in the States, you need a part. You can go to the junkyard to get it. You can order it, you know, through the auto parts warehouse places and stuff, and have it that day or within a day or two. Like I said, the problem here is you got to wait. They don't have the parts readily available. Hello from Atlanta, Georgia. I missed the baseball all-star game. Yeah, you know what? They don't. That's one thing. Like baseball, hockey, football. They don't have them like here all the time on TV. They're just not a big sport here. Basketball all the time. There's always something going on. They had Manny Pacquiao fight this weekend. When that's going on, everybody's watching that. And that was nice because that was broadcast here in the morning, and there was hardly any traffic. Filipinos love Manny, and they'll stop what they're doing just to watch the fight. You seen a vet in Greenville? Yes, Master Poe. This is the sorry store. Almost Eagle season. Yes, almost Eagle season. PBA basketball game. No, I've never been to a PBA basketball game. Yeah, almost Cowboy season. Open a junkyard then. Yeah. You know what? I don't know what they do with all the junk cars here. You know, I don't know what they do. I mean, I really don't. Who won the match? Manny won the match. I mean, yeah, you know what? You can go to different places to watch football. Different places. You know what? Matter of fact, I know one Philly sports bar and pub. It's you can go there. They'll have the football games on. You can ask them to put other, you know, whatever you want on. They can put that on. The thing here is, if you're going to watch it live, it's going to be like 2 o'clock in the morning because, you know, they start the games at what, 1 o'clock back in the States. And so that's 2 o'clock in the morning here. So if you watch them live, you can watch them early in the morning. Now they do have the Super Bowl on. The Philippines always plays the Super Bowl, and I caught this past Super Bowl. Are the club open late? Are you? I don't know what clubs you're referring to. Look, would you like to have a seat? All right, here's Lut. Here's the old Lut.
I can see, I can't read it. It's too small.
Where's your glasses?
Celia Quesa, how far you are from Bicol? Kind of far.
The hammer's there.
I think it's 2 days. 2 days if you ride the bus. I don't know, it comes to plane. I think it's only like 45 minutes. Let's see. GR. Hello, beautiful. Oh, thank you, Mr. GR. Dave Sampson. Hello, Lot Lot. Oh, hello, Lot. Hello, Mr. Dave Sampson. Hamilton. Superstar. Superstar Lot Lot. I wish. Wow. No, we're not sponsored by Under Armours. Brian just like to wear Under Armours then. Hello, Lot Lot from North of Port. Hello, Mr. North of Port. Hey, Joseph, what's up? Joseph, my life in Metro Manila. How's Jiki? The Vow Dawn. I was at the Kappa Shrine. The Vow Dawn. I was at the Kappa Shrine, January 2012. Yeah, I like that place. I think it's very like like it's very, I don't know how to explain it, but when I was there, I was like reading something, and I don't notice. I have tears in my eyes. It's just so sad place. It's good to knows your own history, though. Though, come on, pal. Don't be bullying me. Ash, Ash, Chi? Come here, pal. How could you read this? As. Hello, Lot Lot.
Where?
This. As, Chi? Moan Christine, maganda ka, Lot Lot. Oh, thank you, Miss Christine.
There's Captain
Mo.
Spaulding. Maganda.
Maganda, it's beautiful. Maganda. Thank you so much, Captain.
Captain Spaulding. That was one of the, I love that movie. The Devil's
Cinema.
Rejects. Yeah. There was a
I
movie
don't know.
called The Devil's Rejects. And I forget what the first one was called. That was a good one. Rob Zombie was the director.
Randy Woods, why you're so pretty? Thank you, Momsy and Pops. Oh, thank you so much. I wish I was. But that's what my mom always said. Maganda ka pa sa umaga. Joseph, my life in Metro Manila. Joseph, you don't have to bola-bola na, ha?
Yeah.
That's a nice compliment.
Yeah, House of a Thousand Corpses. That was it.
Um,
I had to try something here. Go ahead. I'm just going to do something here with this camera. If I can do it. I don't know.
Rory Thomas, Roy Martinez. I am in University City, believing in about 22 days. Wow. Ooh. It's just kind of fast.
Huh?
GWX. I used to live in Angeles, will return for retirement. Oh, good luck. Ano po yun? Captain, they're making a 3 reject movie now. Ano ho yan? Para saan? Saan disable yan? You give her 20, you have 20.
What's it for?
It's a disable.
Oh, yeah? How do I know?
Yeah, that's...
Don't have it. Fresh out, bud.
Oh, Roy Martinez. Hi, Rory. Chicken Quacker. Gio Papier, good morning. Good movie to Captain. Tommy Anthony, House of 1000 Cup.
Huh? House of 1,000 Corpses. That's a movie.
George Mesa, hello Brian and the missus from sunny Miami. Sam Pasumano. Did you guys find justice? If not, we'll get another cat. No, I have too many cat right now.
We already have what?
We have that like 1, 2, 3,
This week.
3 right now.
3.
And I think I miss Justice. Actually, I always find her. I've always find her. But I think we suspect that he was poisoned from people don't even have.
Yeah, he was poisoned.
He was poisoned to the people don't even love any animals.
Yeah. Let me see something.
Where is Randall V? Where is Liberty? Where is my Liberty?
I don't know.
Liberty! I think Liberty's sleeping. He always sleeping.
I don't know where Liberty is.
Yeah, every time he get breakfast, because I always like give him milk fish every day. So after that, he will be sleeping then. Baguio is nice. Yeah, G-Wix. Yeah, I heard Baguio is very, very nice, but we never been there. Actually, I've been Baguio. It's been a long time ago. And every time we go back, when we go Baguio, I was like closing my eyes when we entered the like a circle one, because it's the road is so like what's that? Like a little
narrow.
Yeah, it's narrow and it's so foggy. So I closed my eyes until the end of that one, because I was like, oh my god, maybe the bus will fall, and then I don't want to see it in case it's full. So I always close my eyes.
Can I video some wildlife there? Well, I don't know. What wildlife is there?
Where?
Here.
Here?
Cockroaches.
Cockroaches
cats,
and
dogs,
rats. There's a lot.
Cats, dogs, cockroaches.
Yeah.
Birds.
Brian is scared
flies.
with cockroaches. I don't know why.
But like wildlife, like I don't know.
Oh, you go Mindanao, there's a lot of wild there.
Well, yeah, Mindanao.
You go to the
monkeys
jungle.
and snakes
Snake.
and Good morning. Good morning, Japan. Hang on. What year were you in the Fort Knox? I was there in 80. I was there, what, 89? Fort Knox, Kentucky.
John Paris, how was the car hunting? Whoa, we still ongoing it.
No, we're done car hunting now.
We're
we're
done, but we're still waiting
sale.
for like a car sale.
Yeah, we got to sell the car. And of course, I've had multiple people tell me, "Oh, I know somebody that cars, and give me your number, and they'll contact you." And they just don't. I mean, and film, because people ask me, what are new homes here cost and what do they look like? And I got a hold of all those people in the mall that, set up the little kiosks in the mall, and you can set up appointments with them. And I got their cards, and I've sent them text messages and multiple text messages. And, oh yeah, I remember you. I'll get back to you. Well, it's been like a month now, and nobody gets back to you. So I don't get it. I put it out there for people, and they just, I don't know. I don't think that they're not interested. I just think at that point in time, they tell you what you want to hear, but when it comes to it, they don't. I told it, we'll just make an appointment and show up.
I told him, just go there. There's some people who are going to take care of you there. Go there and just tell them, hey.
Yeah. That's what you got to do. You just got to show up.
Can you deliver me a Coke? She has
I
him
saw the girl
early.
selling milkfish. Can you get her contact number? No.
No, I sell it. I buy it in the, we called it a carinderia. It's a small like kind of canteen. I always buy like cooked fish milk already.
Hello, Adia, a Aidi Myers, however you say that. Aidi Myers. Hello.
Wish you
We can
would.
say hello.
Shout out from Hawaii, huh? Where?
Huh? Where?
I don't know. Wish you would. Shout out
Shout
from
out from Hawaii.
Hawaii.
How did I get my name, Philly? Well, I'm from Philadelphia, and we call Philadelphia Philly for short. So Philly in the Philippines. That's how I came up with the name.
What's that? Myra Hickland?
Where's Myra Hickland?
At the end, hello, Brian and Lot from Myra from Chicago. Myra. What's that? Mayat? May?
Huh?
Mayat?
Where's Maya?
M-Y. There. M-Y-A-T-T.
Hickland.
Mayat Hickland.
Yeah. Do I miss my Harleys? Yeah, I do and I don't. I mean, I miss them, but I wouldn't buy one here. And to me, they're a hot bike and they're air cooled bike, and it's so hot here, and I don't want to sit on top of a hot Harley in this heat, especially the traffic. It moves so slow. I miss it if I want to get out on like a big highway and just cruise, but something that powerful here, especially riding around Angeles City, you're not going to use all that power. It's more of a, hey, look at me, I'm on a Harley. Plus, Harleys aren't big here. You see them, but they're not as big as they are back in the States.
Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah,
James
Philly cheesesteak.
Marshall Hendricks. With Richard. Good morning. Good morning from South Carolina.
My brother's down in South Carolina.
Yeah, Matt.
Yeah, Greenville.
Ano pa?
Noodles na chicken.
Noodles, chicken. Lucky me.
Where at? Oh.
Manu Daniela. Hi, good morning there. Good morning, Mr. Daniel. 10.
10 each?
Yeah.
10 each?
Yeah. Sam Cruzmano, have you guys made the sign yet for this? No, we don't. Actually, I don't know where can I find it.
Oh, you can find it. Just
I tried to find it. I tried to ask people that. Good, Miguel. Hello, magandang umaga. Hello, Mr. Miguel. Magandang umaga din. You get the same name with my brother, Miguel. Pamela Kerr. Lot. Do the barber do your hair? If so, how much? If I want to try it. No, I don't go to ano. My hair is very natural. I only used it one time. I make like kind of Brazilian descent. But I don't really like it. Because my hair is just like this reality. Like even though before I never been like parlor. If I cut my hair, I cut my hair one time. Ano? How many times? I cut my hair in the parlor one time. But mostly I cut my hair by myself. Because I cut this one in US, I think once. Right? Yeah, I cut this in US once. Ash, do you have a drug problem and anti-dyslike? Yeah, Ash, drugs is anywhere. They're always a big problem. Any places, I think they have a problem from that.
No, we've never taken a trip to the States as a family. Look came over, and she was there a year and a half, and then we moved back here. But we want to get a trip back to the States. I mean, I can go back anytime I want. Just hop on the plane and go. But now Lut would need I
need some kind of visa.
She needs a visa to come back to the States to visit. So that's in the future, but not in the immediate future.
Steve Dry Mom. Hi from Springdale, Arkansas.
Uh,
Arkansas.
Arkansas.
Arkansas. But there is in the last one, so that's called Arkansas.
Yeah.
Ano
Why do all
ba?
the houses in the Philippines have bars on the windows? Is breaking crime there that bad? You have to have bars. You know what? I guess it's to prevent break-ins, but it's like everybody has them. Now, I think if you go into like some of your
House development.
housing development areas, it's not, you don't, they have it, but it's not as much as you see it just in regular living here. They're just, I don't know, it's just the way it is to prevent break-ins, to prevent anybody from trying to break in.
Yeah. Robert M. from
Robert
Lebanon. Hi again from Lebanon. Hey. Coffee.
Brian, do you need a work visa to make sales transactions in the shop? Shop's name is in Luisa's name, not mine.
That's under my name.
And she has a permit she got from the barangay hall, right? Yeah. And it's all under her name, not under my name. And do I need a work permit? No, because I have a 13A now. My 13A visa would allow me to work here in the Philippines.
Matthew Daniel, he wants to visit Angeles City and meet you directly. It's my lifetime. I wish I'm looking forward to that. Well, if you are visit Matthew Daniel over here, just let us know. We're always here. George Smith, my cousin's husband brother, ran for senator south of Manila, but he lost last name. Last name is Roca. Oh yeah, I remember that. I forgot what party list he was a part of. Edward says. That's the style, I think.
You talk about the bars and stuff all over in the Constantina wire. That's just like there's security guards everywhere you go here. You go to a 7-Eleven security guard, a McDonald's security guard, bank security guard, mall security guards. Even like as you go in the mall, there's security guards, and even in the mall, there's security guards in certain stores. They're just here. I don't know. I guess show of force, I guess is what you would say. To prevent people from acting up or going, committing a crime. But they're just all over the place here. How about it?
What?
Security guards.
Oh yeah. Always.
Yeah, they're just all over the place. They don't. They're just people, just like everybody else.
Yeah, it's kind of their own kind of protection. Believe me, I live here and I live in the Philippines. I know what's going on. You gotta go to grocery. You have to check up. That grocery will be broke.
Yeah, there's no self-checkout.
Ay, ako.
Feel safe having armed guards everywhere. Yeah, but you know what? I don't even know if they might be armed, but somebody told me that a lot of them don't even carry bullets.
No, when you go inside the mall, I think you're not allowed to carry any. And
I think at the banks.
The banks.
The banks they are.
Yeah, the banks, they're mostly when they get the trucks.
Like we knew one girl who was a security guard, and we asked her if she even had training in weapon, to firing a weapon and everything. And she said, no, they just give it to them. And she said there's no bullets, right?
No, but I think over there in Clark, they teach them. They have their training and they teach them how to...
I guess it all depends on where you're at.
Depends from the agency and depends where company you gotta work. But mostly the bank that's full of bullets.
Yeah, banks, they have bullets.
You never know.
But the girl said they never trained her, no nothing. They just handed her a weapon and she stuck it in her holster and that was that. I think it's more of like a show of force. Will they come and assist you if there's a problem? I don't know. Or will they run the other way? Who knows?
No, I don't know. It depends for two. Some of them, they're so kind of brave. And some of them, it becomes what happened when they get the bank robbery in Manila. The guard was kind of brave because they're shooting them back. That's the reason why the robbery they can't come into the bank because they're fighting.
Have you heard of bank robberies?
Yeah.
Huh?
All the time.
Yeah.
Mhm. That's why bank they needs to have a security guarded full of bullets.
Yeah. Yeah, Mike. You know, I worked around metal bars my whole life. Now I'm sitting in one again.
I have one EM1 E4 potato gun with a disco ball
It's a
size.
potato gun.
What's that? Ah, a small one.
It's like this is what I know a potato gun to be. It's like a tube, and then you throw a potato in there, and then you fill it with lighter fluid, I think. And then on the end of it is it's a like a little spark that you flip and you spark it, and then when it sparks, it lights that lighter fluid up, and it launches a potato up in the air.
Oh.
Potato launcher.
Yes, they will help you, especially at the Robinson and Angela's. G7X, yes, they will help you, especially at Robinson and Angela's.
No, it's not a new webcam. I was running it through OBS Studio before, but for some reason it just lags and it doesn't pick up. And so I switched over using YouTube, their YouTube program, and it gives it a wider view. But no, it's not a new camera. It's just a different program I'm using.
Even my fan was showing
Yeah.
there.
It's like it's showing the whole thing.
Yeah.
Hello, Steve.
2008.
Huh?
Vicky Y01, 2008. Oh, no. Musta na Brian Lotlot dito sa Foster City, California. Oh, hello from California. Vicky Y01, 2008. George Misa. How long have a drive from Quezon City to Angeles City?
Quezon, I don't know.
No, we went
Quezon.
Joseph.
Oh, you can get there
Quezon City
about
already.
an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Depends. I mean, the traffic is bad. It's going to take a little while, but about an hour to an hour and a half, something like that.
Yeah, it depends to the traffic.
Straight down the NLEX.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If the traffic was too bad, you will sit there for hours.
Hello, Hans Cruz from Costa Rica.
Costo. Hello from UK.
What
Tudor
camera?
Lloyd Robert. Hi from UK. Oh, Captain just came from UK. Remember Captain?
Oh, yeah.
Nell.
Yeah.
Oh, Roy Martinez. How is the store going?
Hello
The
from
store
Bucks
is very
County.
good.
Hello, Bucks County, Pennsylvania. I know where that is.
What's 6 hours for Joseph? Traffic?
No, he takes his bike. He comes from,
Oh, yeah, because he rides to the back.
yeah.
Good, Miguel. Is it true you are closer to have 20,000 subscribers?
Yeah, it's close.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, close.
And we're so thankful for all of you guys.
You know what, Paul? Electricity, has it gone up here?
I'm not sure. Yeah, I did see that one. But luckily, if they have a raining season, my electricity right this month was so low.
Thank you, Joseph. Says 19 now. Yeah, it's like, I don't know, maybe 50 more to 20,000.
No, 46.
46. When is the best time to enjoy all the types of fruit? What time of the year?
Depends.
Depends. Quakertown. I know right where Quakertown is. My grandmother was from Quakertown. Quakertown, Pennsylvania. Quakertown, Richland Town, Lake Nockamixon, that whole entire area. I know right where. I know exactly where
I
that
know. Marsh. Where's that we went? Marsh Bush.
Marsh Lake.
Marsh Lake.
Yeah, that was up in Reading, Temple. Is it raining there? It's been raining for the past 48 hours.
Si Edgar V. Oh.
Huh?
Hello, Lot and Brian from Los Angeles, California. From Edgar Castillo. Yeah, it's raining over here. Robert Widman, what happened to Justice? The cat. We don't know what happened to Justice. My Tyrion it, somebody poisoned it because my neighbor told me they see cat lying inside the gate. So I think that's Justice because I don't see them. Some people just don't put any value when it comes to animals. Brian, take a ride behind Clark. Can you take a ride behind Clark?
Where at?
He said, where at? Dave Sampson, do you get Dave Sampson, do you get lots of brownouts? If so, how often? I remember we have like 1, 2, 3.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, not that. I mean, not
Yeah,
that.
but we get brownout, but like
Yeah,
it's
but
not
they let
even
you
like
know here.
yeah, they let us know when and what day and how long. But mostly they start by 8 until 5 o'clock. But after like most of the time they run out, mostly if they won't let you. They're just like 5 minutes and then they come on. I don't know what they do. But yes, good Miguel. It is very raining over here. I think it's raining for 48 hours. Vicky Lee. Hello from Belgium. Vicky. I just got Vicky Y. Thank you for the vids, Ben Bridge. Watching Looking Sleep. Montgomery's Mall. Robert M. No justice, no peace. Yeah, that's about it. No justice, no peace.
Yes, Paul, we will get together when you guys come back for sure.
Who's
Paul from Canada. Ones that are over in Timo.
Oh, yeah.
Brian, do you know where Springdale, PA is? My dad's from there. I've heard of it. Q Mart in Quakertown. Yes, I've been to the Q Mart many times. I know right where Q Mart is. We went to Q Mart, Quakertown.
Bigmans. Where?
In Quakertown, Q Mart shopping center. We were there.
Oh, the I said that's a huge parking lot. A huge parking lot, but that's not a lot of people who park.
I don't know.
No,
Wasn't
I don't
Quakertown.
remember.
I know we were there. I know I took you there. I remember my great grandfather telling me it was just a tiny little barn at one time, years ago.
Aquiward B. How far is Cavite? I'm born there, tatay ko sa Navy. I think Cavite and Manila is 1 hour. So it's gonna be like 3 hours, give and take. I'm not sure. GB, no justice. Oh, I already read that.
Chicken choker, I read something about that. I don't know. When's that going to go through? I don't know, but I have read about that. No, I didn't get no blue Pepsi yet. Do they even have it here?
Yeah.
They do? Oh,
Yeah.
all right. No, I haven't. I'm not a big soda drinker. Medical use, it passed. Huh.
Yeah, they said that one, but that's still in a committee.
It's in committee.
Yeah, it's like they will see like they will push on it, but if even though the president will sign it, they still have approved from the committee. If the committee don't approve or vote for it, there is no it's happen.
Yeah. Medical use.
Vicky, 2008. So Brian, did you decide to buy a new car? We are going to, but we need to sell our car first.
Yeah, we just got to sell the car.
What? Hansel, hi.
Huh?
Siwed Hinsel. Hi. How the car? Just wanted to say thank you for all information you show. Beten. Pao, come here, Pao. Come here, that's funny.
What is it?
Come here, ba? What is this, man?
Where?
I know. I in my head it's kind of different. In my head it's different kind of meaning.
Cryptocurrencies.
What's that?
I don't know. Do you accept cryptocurrencies in your store? I don't know. What is cryptocurrency?
I think it's either you accept dollars or not.
I don't.
Oh, I accept piso. Cebu Cannabis Club. Oh, we never been Cebu yet. Mr. Chicken Chocker. Kenny Bob Smith. Hey folks, spent 2 years of work the passenger tomorrow from Tennessee. Hello, Mr. Kenny Bob Smith. Jade Martin. This live? I love watching all you show. Thank you, Mr. Jade Martin. Randall B. Jed Martin, yes, this is live every Wednesday. Jude and Penn Thomas, can foreigner carry stun gun for protection? No, you can't.
You can't? Oh.
You can't. Even like a knife or something, you can't. Believe me. It's more better just like stay safe or like, you know. Jiwick, Pimpy smoke with all the time. Yeah, I heard that, Mr. Jiwick. Nothing's new. Yes, it's same every day.
You can carry a stun gun. Filipinos can carry stun guns.
Filipino can.
Yeah, they
foreigner
can.
Can.
Yeah.
He said foreigner can carry stun gun. I said you can't. Filipino can. I can't because I am Filipino.
Right. You can have a weapon too. You're allowed to get a weapon.
Yeah, as long everything is done legally, then you don't have any problem.
But a foreigner cannot.
Cannot. Good, Miguelot. Do you sell tequila in your sari-sari store? No, I don't sell tequila and I don't have desire either.
Has Brian ever tasted, what is it, Dinagan?
Is Brian the worst tasted dinuguan? No, he did. He did. It's a blood. Remember that one that I brought over there? Like it's there's
chicken blood?
No, it's like it's vital things of I don't a pork. And then they put blood on it. Remember one time I buy some dinuguan in the store and you said, what is that?
Did I eat it?
Yeah, and you don't like it.
I ate it.
Stick foot weapon.
Pig blood.
Any sign of liberty from Jed Martin? I know where's liberty. Liberty is sleeping. Yes.
I don't know where to. I think.
Yeah, but Tommy, the black market, there are 4 guns you can.
Slingshot, yeah.
Rubber band gun? Is this a rubber band gun? Because I remember rubber band, we used to play that. Like we do like this and remember that, pal?
Yeah.
Oh, when we was kid. Yeah, you can do that. As long as it's rubber band.
You guys should do a video when you visit BGC in Makati to see how rich folks live there. Well, you know what? I haven't been down there. I don't know where it's at. Maybe when the Hammer decides to come back, we go down and visit him, and then he can show us around.
We gotta visit him again.
Yeah.
Except like last time we went there, I'm so scared. Earthquake.
Yeah. Can you do a cat version of the movie Taken?
Don't be mean.
No, that's what he said.
Why are you guys?
We can do a version of the cat movie Taken.
Oh my god.
With Liam Neeson.
Ikaw, you're so bully. Wait, I watched Chicken 1, 2, 3, 4. Thought I live last house on the left. Chicken cracker.
What?
Chicken cracker. Thought I live last house on the left.
Last House on the Left. That was a movie.
Oh, that's a
think.
movie?
Yeah.
It's a horror movie, huh? More and Christine Capas was a cool video. Yeah, it's nice over there. I like there. Kind of tears comes to your eyes when you know imagine how like when I see the picture. You remember that one?
What?
Like the painting that they have when some guys like do like this, and then someone was trying to pick up the guy, and someone like that. It's like no.
What are you talking about?
In Capas, remember that memory when the first one we went?
Oh, yeah,
Remember
yeah, yeah.
that
The
one?
memorial.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Then I cried.
The first one we went. Oh, that was the Death March Memorial.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I cried that one. It's kind of sad. James called him coming back there in 2009. Just let us know, Mr. James, we're here. Island style. Hello guys, just got here. Kumusta? Kumusta? Island style.
Jude and Penn. I have a Canon G7X that I use. That's the one I usually use. I just wanted to break out the GoPro and try it. Yeah.
From Joseph. Yeah, I don't send Jinky a message yet. I might be send her later on. So Robert Aim even been to Davao or CDO. Brian don't even been to Davao yet.
Davao.
Davao. Davao and my place is 5 hours. Yeah, I think they have from Dan Cars. They have Philly cheesesteak over her, Pao, diba, right? Over there in Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, Phillies.
Yeah, they have in where's that?
Philly Sports.
Philly
Bar.
Philly Sports Bar.
And,
Here in Angeles.
RBI.
Yeah. Geo Papier. That's what a great blog about the Death March Memorial. Yeah, that's a cool one. I'm very attached it's come to like history because I like that.
I gotta go to that city. They say there's a not kamikaze museum there somewhere near the entrance of the NLEX.
Yeah.
Somebody was telling me that. I gotta go over there and check that out because they say that's where the kamikazes were born.
70 James. Lot, do you scared at horror movies or only cry at Koreans?
Huh?
Yes. Where is that?
Oh yeah.
Dave Simpson. Yeah, I'm really scared it comes to I don't know horror movie, but Korean soap opera I always cry. Mostly I have one Korean soap opera that I cry from the beginning until the last.
Right.
JJ Moon. How's Sheila, your neighbor? Sheila's doing good. She's at her house right now. Is Mindanao safe for tourists? It depends where you gotta go, and it depends how you gonna act there. Yeah. You know, you goes towards that south.
South.
Yeah, Pampanga. Oh,
Yeah. Wow.
oh, yeah. You goes to the south area. It's kind of dangerous for you. So I'm more prepared for you if you wanna go there. Just go to their municipal city, and somebody will guide you.
Wow.
Would love to come, Randall V. No?
Is it safe going to your place, Sherry Gal?
Yes. As long you don't do anything bad over there, just do your thing to make yourself happy. You don't have any problem at all. People are not gonna kill you there. Yeah, because sometimes, like I said,
Well,
like
you don't want to go backpacking by yourself.
Yeah, also, but sometimes when you go to Siargao, because Siargao, there's a lot of foreigner over there, and that's a known like kind of tourist spot. Of course, there's a lot of person who are going to ride there alone, goes to vacation there alone. But some foreigner also, no offense, but this is true. Some foreigner also, when they get very very drunk, they start going to fight Filipinos, something like that. They start talking shit. Guess what? That's their place. We need.
All right, guys, I think we're going to wrap this one up. Got anything to say, La?
All the same. Every day is just the same day. If you haven't subscribed yet, we're almost there at 20,000 subscriber. Please subscribe to his channels. Share with your friends. Give him thumbs up, thumbs down. As same choice is always yours. Until Wednesday. See you in next Wednesday. Thank you so much for subscribing his channel.
All right, guys. Thanks for stopping by. And like I said, every Wednesday we're going to do this. So we'll talk to everybody later.
Ano yun? Yung maliit?